Welcome to our seatwork lesson. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, let's go over quickly what we're going to be doing in this seatwork lesson. The first thing we're going to do is work on the front of our arithmetic worksheet. After that, it's going to be time for us to work on letters and sounds and language. We'll be finishing up those papers. When you are done with those papers, it's going to be your opportunity to write your brand new spelling words. Be careful, we're using the 2-vowel rule. Don't forget both of those vowels and write them neatly. When you are done on your writing tablet paper with writing your spelling, it's going to be time to finish the back of your Bible Friends activity paper, and then you get to read a book. Then you'll go back to your writing tablet paper, turn it to the back, and I have some numbers I want you to copy in neat columns. Let's look together at our seatwork papers that we have for today. Let's begin with arithmetic, and students watching, what's the first thing I want you to write neatly? And Jed, what is it?
Our name.
Yes, make that name as neat as possible. Your name is your picture of who you are. Let's go down to number 1. Number 1 says how many cents, and let's look at this coin. Students watching, what type of coin will we be counting? And Willow, what is it?
10.
It's worth 10 cents, and its name is what, Jacelyn? Leah.
Dime.
It is a dime, so we'll count by tens and we'll fill in those piggy banks. Make sure you get the right amount in both piggy banks. We're going down to number 2, and number 2 says we need to write the missing numbers. Now be very careful here. Some of them are going to be missing add-ins, so you see what number needs to be added together to equal the sum. Down at the bottom, number 3 says we need to write the number. Let's look at this first one together. Look at the number in the tens place for our first card. And Xavier, what number should we write in the tens place?
3.
And what number goes in the ones place, Xavier?
0.
So a 3 in the tens place and a 0 in the ones place is what number, Xavier?
30.
That's it. You'll write the number 30 for the first box and finish the last 2 by yourself. Take this paper and put it underneath. Let's look together at our letters and sounds paper. Put your finger right at number 1. Number 1 says, I want you to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. Many words that you have an opportunity to read quickly. Students watching and boys and girls in this classroom, don't forget. Not only do I want you to circle and mark, I want you to read this in your head. Get practice. See if every day you can be faster. Let's start with our full and flake special sound, and let's say both of our special sounds on this worksheet together.
Full and flake. F-L. Full, full, full.
Goal and glue, G-L, goal, goal, goal. Now number 2 is just a little bit different because number 2 says I want you to write some rhyming words. You have 4 words and I want you to give me 2 rhyming words for each word. So let's look at this first word, and students watching, read this word to me. And what word do you see, Jaden K?
Net.
Now look again, it's not an N at the beginning, and think about your special scent. Me is it. Give me a rhyming word for me, Kendra. What is it? T is a good one, so we could write T, and what's one more? Me, T, Bailey. C, that was the one I was thinking of because I can see your smile. So you can write 2 rhyming words for each of these words and do your best with writing them neatly. After you're done with this paper, it's time for language, so put this paper underneath. The next paper we are looking at is our language worksheets. Put your finger at number 1. Number 1 says write the correct words in the blanks and then read the story. So notice at the top you have words. There's 4 words to choose from. Let's look at the title of our story. Students watching, read us this title. And what is the title of this story, Jacelyn?
The red hen.
Yes, and so our story is going to be about a red hen. You will fill in each of these blanks with one of these words. Make sure that your story makes sense and the picture will help you. When you're done with that, we'll go down to number 2. Number 2 looks like fun, doesn't it? You're going to follow the dots from A to Z, and then you get to color this picture. Take this paper and put it underneath. The next paper we are looking at is our writing tablet paper. Remember, on this paper, you're going to be writing those brand new spelling words. Our first column goes next to the houses. The second column goes next to the second fold in the middle of your paper. And when you're done, it's going to be time for your Bible Friends activity paper. Here's what you're going to do on this one. You get to trace the path that the giraffes are going to take to the ark. Make sure they get there, so choose the right path, and then you get to color the rest of this picture. You may begin.